Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how to fix it seems that another app is blocking access to Google Play on your Android device. The first thing you will need to do is go into settings. Once in settings, you are going to scroll down and you want to select apps. After you have selected apps, you are going to search for Google Play. In the top right hand corner, you are going to tap on the search icon, and from here you'll simply type in Google. Then you'll tap on Google Play Store. After you have selected Google Play Store, as you can see right here, you want to tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner, and you're going to tap on uninstall updates. After you have done that, you will try again, and if the problem is still there, what I would recommend you do is come back into settings again, and this time you're going to tap on apps. And after you have tapped on apps, you're going to tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner, and right where you see special access, you're going to tap on that. And from here you will simply scroll along, and any app that you see that appear on top, as you can see right here, you're going to tap on that. And any of the apps that have access to do that, you will simply toggle them off. So for example, device care, you'll toggle off. Customization services, you'll toggle off all of them. Then you will try again. And if the problem is still persisting, what I would recommend you do, come into apps again, and from here you will simply tap on accessibility. After you have selected accessibility, what I would recommend you do is you want to tap on force stop in the bottom right hand corner. Then you are going to tap on storage, and after selecting storage, you are going to tap on clear cache, and then try again. I hope one of these solutions were able to help you. If they did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.